Aside from its cute name, BigBear has captured the hearts of investors because of its artificial intelligence-powered decision intelligence solutions for national security, supply chain management, and digital identity and biometrics. Its revenue is primarily derived from contracts with public sector agencies, including the federal government, border protection, transportation security, manufacturing, distribution, and logistics, as well as travel, entertainment, and tourism sectors. BigBear covers markets like Edge AI, Vision AI, and Digital Twin. Its growth strategy is focused on technology-enabled solutions in areas such as national security and critical infrastructure, as well as commercial use, leading it to provide TrueFace facial biometric solutions for consumer payment transactions, made across SoftPoint's network of established retail partners through SoftPoint Pay. TrueFace is the biometric matching solution, powering the verification process for SoftPoint Pay's point-of-sale platforms, transforming how businesses authenticate customer payments. BigBear explains facial recognition technology can reduce the risk of fraudulent transactions, as unique identities are difficult to replicate or steal, allowing for security, innovation, and convenience by using biometrics in payment processing, as well as the promise of streamlined operations and elevated customer satisfaction in payment experiences, on top of security benefits. In its core domain of defense, BigBear deployed its AI-powered decision intelligence solutions during the headline-grabbing Exercise Talisman Sabre 2025 in Australia to enhance capabilities for AUKUS forces in multi-domain missions. Conductor OS, the company's AI orchestration platform, integrated with advanced technologies at the event, showcasing its ability to strengthen interoperability and operations among AUKUS forces in high-stakes mission scenarios. During the exercise, Conductor OS helped military forces act faster by updating AI models in real time, improving coordination between sensors and shooters, and ensuring better decisions during operations. Another major defense event was Project Convergence, Capstone 5 PC5, a multinational defense experiment involving forces from 7 countries. During the exercise, BigBear's virtual anticipation network, VANE platform, was deployed to help multinational forces gain situational awareness and identify emerging threats using AI technologies. Then when it comes to military logistics, BigBear works with DEFCON AI to combine artificial intelligence, data integration, and analytics capabilities to address logistics and readiness challenges in military operations. DEFCON AI specializes in modeling, simulation, and analysis tools for optimization of complex systems with expertise in defense transportation and logistics. The focus will be on joint force management, readiness analytics, logistics planning, transportation scenario analysis, and predictive analytics to enhance situational awareness in multi-domain operations. The partnership between the two companies aims to deliver scalable, integrable solutions for the defense community's most pressing logistics and readiness challenges, from tactical operations at the southwest border to strategic campaigns in the Indo-Pacific. Gaining even more ground in defense saw BigBear being awarded a $13.2 million sole source contract by the U.S. Department of Defense to support the chairman of the Joint Chiefs of Staff's Directorate for Force Management, meaning it will deliver and maintain the DoD Joint Staff J-35's Orion Decision Support Platform, which provides automated force management capabilities and data analytics for the DoD's Joint Planning and Execution community. BigBear also collaborates with Hardy Dynamics to develop advanced AI capabilities for defense applications, focusing on secure communication and coordination among unmanned aerial system swarms over extended ranges, which relate to Project Linchpin, a U.S. Army initiative focused on integrating AI into future warfighting capabilities. In the world of logistics, BigBear's heavy manufacturing planning and production platform will be deployed for Austal USA, one of the largest shipbuilders in the United States. The Shipyard AI platform is designed to address common shipbuilding challenges by improving capacity planning and resource allocation. By leveraging this technology, Austal USA anticipates streamlining its shipbuilding processes, which is expected to lead to reduced production delays and faster delivery of vessels. Internationally, BigBear has formed a strategic partnership with Easy Lease PJSC and Vigilix Technology Investment LLC to advance AI solutions in the United Arab Emirates and surrounding region. The collaboration aims to support digital transformation across multiple sectors, with BigBear AI serving as the primary technology provider, while EasyLease contributes operational expertise and strategic guidance from Vigilix. The partnership is set to accelerate research, development, and deployment of innovative AI-enabled solutions that support digital transformation throughout the UAE and the broader region. Kevin McAleenan, CEO of BigBear AI, described the partnership as a major first step in our international expansion and said it would deliver mission-critical systems that enhance safety, mobility, and operational effectiveness. In terms of international moves concerning borders, BigBear AI's biometric software for enhanced passenger processing, EPP, has been deployed at 12 major international airports and ports of entry in the United States and Canada. The technology is designed to streamline the international arrivals process for U.S. citizens while maintaining security standards. For example, EPP, at the Nashville International Airport's International Arrivals Facility, captures facial images of U.S. citizens arriving at the airport and compares them to existing records, potentially eliminating the need for physical passports, presenting the possibility of speeding up customs processing times and reducing congestion during peak periods, while maintaining security standards. In regards to border security and its overlap with critical infrastructure like cargo security management in Panama, BigBear collaborates with Narval Holding Corp. Together, they use AI and biometric verification to link drivers and transport vehicles to cargo containers and security seals, providing accountability for cargo contents from origin to destination. The system integrates real-time driver and tracking monitoring, with a centralized management platform that displays fleet, vehicle, and driver data in an operations center. The partnership targets Panama as the initial deployment location due to its strategic position, connecting the Pacific and Atlantic Oceans via the Panama Canal. The solution is designed to help operators monitor cargo flows, detect anomalies, and generate insights to disrupt smuggling networks. Kevin McAleenan, CEO of BigBear AI, stated that the partnership aims to deliver an AI-driven solution to strengthen cargo security today, while laying the foundation for broader regional adoption and collaborations with international shipping lines. Away from security, logistics, and international expansion, BigBear still has fun through partnerships like the one with the Washington Commanders football team to provide AI technology and solutions aimed at enhancing fan experiences within NFL guidelines. The multi-year partnership includes naming rights for the team's training facility in Ashburn, Virginia, branding on suite levels of Northwest Stadium, and practice jerseys. Financially, BigBear outlines the main factors that contribute to revenue challenges are contract disruptions, increased competition, economic uncertainty, supply chain issues, and regulatory changes. Nonetheless, CEO Kevin McAleenan highlighted the transformative level of investment expected from government funding, stating, "This is not incremental funding for innovation. This is a transformative level of investment." Moreover, BigBear is focusing on areas like border security and biometrics applications, accelerated global expansion and defense disruption, and AI breakthroughs. Some of its most promising opportunities could come from the $1.4 trillion joint AI investment with the United Arab Emirates, over $70 billion in increased supplemental funding for U.S. Customs and Border Protection over 4 years, and a 44% year-over-year increase in U.S. investments in AI physical infrastructure. For more on BigBear AI, other stocks, and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.